It's struggling a bit. It's a bit out of balance as well. You can see it's fully overloaded. Still quite a lot of Sudslock. I'm impressed with this wash action today. Look at the bubbles there. That's quite a lot of foam today. Excuse me. I like it when it pops like that. It's pretty cool. Come on. There we go. What's it gonna do now? Is it gonna do another bad Sudslock or get out of balance and that? We'll soon find out. Ooh. Come on. Just catching on that little thing at the top, that little bit of a dip of the seal. I don't like it when it catches on there because it can ruin your clothes. Whoa, that's a big one. Big Sudslock. Never actually seen it go all the way around the window before, but that's a bloody amazing. That's gone all the way around the window, that. I thought it would hit that colour catcher down to there. That was bloody cool. Do it again, do it again. Do it again. Look at that! My god! Let's get biggest Sudslock ever! Subscribe. Oh my god, look at that. That's bloody cool. Sudslock on a full window. I don't think we've ever seen this on bloody YouTube before. Biggest Sudslock on YouTube. This is bloody amazing. Well, blow that. That is the biggest Sudslock you've ever seen on YouTube. I've never seen a video like this on YouTube before. That was bloody wicked. Bloody hell. I've never ever seen it do that, a washing machine do that before. Biggest Sudslock ever. Biggest Sudslock on YouTube. I think I should title this video and put it separate. Bloody hell. That was super duper funny. Oh my god. That was hilarious. Bloody hell. Subscribe. That was definitely the biggest episode slot I've seen. Biggest Sudslock on YouTube. New trend. That was amazing. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Well, we're keeping with this video on one of the channels. I want to put in a video together, and this is going to be a separate video. So yeah, that was funny.